Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. ICE Brent crude oil futures. A reactionary bearish black crow yesterday after first making a new, very recent high following the previous session's very large counter-to-the-counter key reversal up. Now, I said yesterday that this large pattern on the surface looked very reasonable, yet I still found it somewhat disappointing, and I'll explain what I mean. You see, we still have not broken out of or even really decided which of the two major patterns here on my daily chart the market is willing to choose. Prices back then were supported by the dark blue lower time, currently at 70.55 of the mid-April to early July bearish shift pitchfork, and at the same time they were capped by the bright red upper time, currently at 75.03 of the bearish Andrews pitchfork for the same move. So you can see the predicament, especially as both these pitchfork tines had previously been breached and seemingly repaired. Now, admittedly, we did and still do have some significant congestion bands that the market utilized, notably the support from the March 23 low at 70.13 and congestion between 73.38 to 73.73 and the April 2019 high at 75.58 and the lesser Fibonacci line at 76.04. But these are minor when compared to the dark blue and bright red tines, and which of either the market would choose to break and which to follow. There was one of a new feature I saw yesterday and another new feature which I have seen today. We might, yesterday I said, just have a hesitation from the start of September to date as either a possible bearish halfway hesitation or a double bottom type action. Right now it is not certain which it would be, as the neckline, especially on a consecutive closing basis, is about the April 2019 high. However, this could also end up as a possible bearish cat's ears pattern as well, so just be aware of that. The feature seen today is that we are set up to make this week into a weekly key reversal. Thus, if on the close of Friday night we are either over 74.49 or under 71.98, then we'd be on. Now, right now we're looking at a weekly key reversal up. Now, so far today, a higher open and a test up to the bright red upper time, but no more at this time. It's all still underwhelming. Spot gold. A possible hanging man pattern yesterday after the previous session's bullish double. The market is still working on re-establishing itself back up over the bright red upper time, currently at 26.51 of the breached late June to late July bullish shift pitchfork. We're also just underneath the all-time high at 26.85 and the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 26.75. All this continues to provide further evidence that the market has staged a break higher from the previously well highlighted April to September broadening top pattern. Now, this pitchfork had been guiding prices higher throughout the summer, and we still have target X1 topside, the secondary harder to reach target up in the 26.96 area for the original move up and out of the broadening top pattern. The primary target in the 26.28 area was achieved last week. Now, so far today, well, initially not much. It was still sitting on top of the bright red upper time and seemingly intent on testing it, and today it's just pushed below it for the moment, but it's not really gone that far. The next support below is probably going to be just above the 26.20 area, which was the low of this week, but there's really not that much until you get down to about the 26.02 area. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.